Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile acquisition of UScellular, what the deal is about and what it actually means for the customers in 2026. So the T-Mobile officially acquired most of the UScellular's wireless operations in a deal worth about $4.4 billion. The acquisition includes UScellular's customers' retail stores and about 30% of its wireless spectrum assets. The deal was approved by the regulators and completed in August 2025, bringing around 4 million UScellular customers into the T-Mobile ecosystem. For existing UScellular users, the transition is designed to be gradual. Customers can continue using their current plans and devices during the early stages of the integration. Over time, many of these users will be able to move to the T-Mobile plans and gain access to the additional benefits like international roaming, streaming perks, and newer 5G features. The deal also benefits the existing T-Mobile customers. By acquiring US cellular spectrum and infrastructure, T-Mobile can expand its coverage in the rural and the smaller markets where US Cellular's previously focused its operations. Now, one of the biggest reasons of this particular acquisition is spectrum and the network expansion. US Cellular had valuable spectrum in the several frequency bands that help improve the coverage and the network capacity, especially in the rural areas. By combining both the networks, T-Mobile can strengthen its 5G infrastructure and expand the services like mobile broadband and home internet in more locations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.